Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom, and we are just completing the series of full export activities in which we have already understood the three part of the session, and this is the fourth part. Okay, so in earlier session we have completed the custom examination procedures of the export goods. So in that session we have covered when we export the goods, we need to prepare the set of documents for the custom clearance purpose. And after the examination of the shipment and custom clearance process, we receive the late export order. Okay. Okay. So late export order is the shipping bill on which details regarding the shipments is mentioned. That shipment is examined fully and time of the shipment, date of the shipments, and we can say other details regarding like container numbers, tax number, and whether the container are physically open or not. These details are mentioned on the shipping bills, late export of order copies. Okay, so it means that once you receive the late export order, Leo copy from the custom, you are fully authorized to export the goods. Before Leo, you are not fully legally authorized the for the export the goods. Okay, so here it means that when you export the goods, you need to take the permission from the government, and government will check out documentations part and goods versus documents, and then receive after six shipment examination, you receive the late export order. Okay, so next step is that once you receive the late export order, the custom will hand over the shipment to the next carrier. Okay, just like if shipments are by rail, then it will hand over to the railways. Otherwise, if shipment is the by road, then hand over to the transporter. Okay, it means that shipment is kept in the yard. Then next further state activities need to collect the container for the next moment. Okay, so once your shipment is your shipment IGM is filed by the carrier, shipment will move from the ICD. Okay, so when shipment is fully examined from the government, okay, and the details, some details regarding the shipment is also submit from the shipping line. Okay, and if any mismatch found, just like you have filed shipping, you have filed the checklist in the custom, and the courier also file the instruction to the custom on best of the shipping line instruction which we have already given to the shipping line. So these details from the shipping line and they detail from the checklist, more detail should be matched, must be matched. Otherwise, the error will occur, which is called EGM error. Means regarding the shipments goods, you have submitted some other details in checklist filing time, and shipping line has given another details from the shipping line. So for the both for the same shipments, the both details need to be submitted to the custom from the exporter side and carrier side. Okay, so now if detail is mismatched, then it will occur the problem is very uh, very critical problem which will not you will not able to take the benefit of the export. So EGM error must be removed by correcting these details. Okay, so EGM is completed after the late export order activities, then shipment will rail out. Okay, so you have to understand that shipment is rail out. So keep in mind that your container must be reach at the time before the leaving the ship from the seaport. Okay, so there are the some cut-off time for the every containers and every shipments. Okay, so container if not reach at the seaport at that cut-off time, then the container will move for the next vessel through the next vessel. Okay, so just like the cut-off time of the shipment is 15 May 23, 15 May 2023. Okay, and our shipment is not reached at this cut-off time, then our shipment will receive another time of departure, and shipment will move from India from another next vessel. Okay, so here we need to understand when container is handed over to the railways, then container will reach at the time in time. Okay, container will reach at the seaport in the time, and other activity will be done just like a shipment will loaded on the ship and next activity. So we need to understand there are two type of cut-off time, one for the rail out and another for the sail out. Rail out means once your shipment is examination, if vessel is available, vessel means here rail which move your container will available, the container loaded on the that particular upcoming trains. Okay, otherwise weekly trains, then it our container will move from ICT to port of loading the next train. Okay, so you need to understand that this is also the time important. Okay, just like your examination done on the 5 May. Okay, and now your late export order and other activity has been done, and your container is waiting for the movement through the RCD. So next upcoming shipment rail movement is on the 6th May. Okay, so before 6th May, the all activity should be completed. Otherwise, this container will not load on the 6th May rail's departure. Okay, then if it not move, then next vessel will move on 12 May. So then three late 3 days late from the ICD site, or we can say at the level of custom and rail out time, you are late for 3 days. In the same way, if your container are not reaching at the seaport for the vessel departure, then it will create also problem like just like vessel departure is a 15 May. Okay, and your shipment reach at the same time 15 May, then you are not catch up that cut-off time. Okay, so then you have to wait there like next vessel is on 25 May, so your container will be hold at the seaport till 15 May. So this will charge will affect, and also the timeline and deadline will affect. So this need to understand the all activity done in the right time, then your movement goods movement will done in right time. Okay, so guys, we have understand in this session that how can time important for the movements. Cut off time is important for the movement of goods, either in the railway or either in the ship sea shipments. Okay, so we have to note down this there. Our agent will coordinate and do the all things in right time. Otherwise, we miss the movement of goods in timely. So, guys, in this session, we have tried to understand activity which is regarding the timeline and cut-off timeline of the shipping line and cut-off timeline of the uh, railway rail out. Okay, so if will not shipment is not reach on time, then it will be problem. So, guys, I hope you understand this knowledge. Okay, which is regarding this session, and far, I hope you will go to the playlist and watch more knowledgeable video. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.